Okay, so here's the packaging, and let's cut it open and let's see how is this product. So always remember to cut away from you guys. We don't want you to injure yourself while doing these unboxings, especially if you're using, you know, a sharp knife or a blade like this. Okay, so the seal has been broken. Let's just take out the actual thing, the cable itself. Okay, there you go. Comes out like this, and that's it. It's a simple cable, aluminum texture, color matching the MacBook Pro. And here's the mini port, the mini DVI port, or the mini DV port, I'm sorry. And here's the HDMI. There you go. Very nice, very simple, very fine and thick cable, by the way. I'm not sure if you can make this out. It's a very thick cable. So this one, the reason I preferred this one over the VGA or the DVI is that this one actually gives video plus audio, so it's an all-in-one solution. You can just output a normal HDMI cable, and it will take the sound as well as the video to your display of choice. It could be a projector, it could be an LCD, it could be a plasma, or it could be a computer monitor. So, but you have to keep in mind, when I got this one, I think so there is something written on the box. Let me just double check that. Yeah, there you go. I'm not sure you can make it out. It's saying supports audio output for mid-2010 release MacBook, MacBook Pro, and Mac Mini. So if you're having any of these versions, or any versions after this time frame that is mentioned, then you're good to go. It should be able to support the audio output. If you're having a model prior to this one, I'm not sure that it's going to be supported. The audio is not going to be carried on the single cable, and you may have to actually use an auxiliary out cable from your device. So this is it. This is the unboxing of the MOSHI Mini DisplayPort. Nothing fancy here, just a normal simple plug adapter, I would say. It's a mini DisplayPort to HDMI adapter, and it's from MOSHI. So this is it. I'll be checking it out. I'll be giving you my complete feedback about this, how it is and how it works out. I'll be trying to answer questions, or if you have any concerns regarding the use, or if you want to get some recommendation if it's worth it or not, do give me a comment. Subscribe also, as I always ask you guys, if you feel like this is worth it. And I'll keep coming back to you with more videos, and hopefully better reviews in future as well. So this is it. I'll be signing off now, and peace out. Okay, so hey guys, this is the second part of the video. I'm having my MOSHI cable right here, and what we are gonna do is check out to see if it works with my MacBook Pro. As I told you, some people are having doubts about the performance of the cable when you're connecting it through the HDMI, and you know, with the new MacBook. Here's my home theater. Let's just switch it on. So I'm gonna be having this one going through my home theater system, and it'll be going to my plasma over there. So let's get this rolling right now. Let me just connect the port. Okay, I'm doing it actually with one hand, so just hang in there, guys. Oops, yeah, surface upside down. Okay, here we go. Now the cable has been plugged. Let me go here and change the source. Okay, something is happening. Okay, and voila, there you go. As you can see, it's working. Now just to make sure that the audio is going through as well, let me open up something.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, this is the Macworld conference.
Thank you. It always helps, and I appreciate it very much.
There you go.
So, we've got an awesome morning together this morning. And thank you for coming.
So it's working fine, guys. It's amazing. The cable works fine. There is no problem. As you can see, it's connected. Same thing there, same thing here. Everything is working fine.